Former President Donald Trump and a lot of his family members will be called to court during a civil trial arising out of a ruling earlier that Trump criminally overstated the value of his assets. And the civil trial is due to begin as early as Monday of next week, and Trump is currently listed as the last but one who will be called within the court to testify. This decision was announced on Thursday by New York Attorney General Letitia James. She had earlier filed a $250 million lawsuit against Trump for defrauding lenders and others. She has alleged that Trump and his family enriched themselves through fraud and through misrepresentation over a period of at least 20 years, and that is said to include more than 200 asset valuations over just a 10-year period that are alleged now to be false. The former president's net worth was inflated by billions of dollars as a result of all this, according to this lawsuit. And some of this inflation and this multiplication, the false multiplication, was 10 times the real value of property, and that includes, for instance, Trump's estate at Mar-a-Lago in Florida. That was valued at $739 million when its real worth was said to be about $75 million. This now has been alleged in the lawsuit, and Trump is going to face those charges and those allegations within the court. On Tuesday of this week earlier, the pre-trial judge in this case had ordered cancellation of the Trump organization's business certificates, and that again was on the grounds that these were based on fraudulent valuations, and those valuations are then said to have been used to obtain very favorable loan and insurance terms to a very large scale. Trump's former lawyer Michael Cohen has been included in the Attorney General's list of those who will be called to testify in the court. Also, his sons Donald Trump Jr. and Eric Trump, and daughter Ivanka Trump. As of now, this is a civil lawsuit, but investigations continue whether the findings could then lead on to criminal charges as well. The case now also throws doubt into the future of some of Trump's most iconic properties and whether those could be seized as a result of what are claimed to have been these false valuations. And that will include possibly Trump Tower in New York, 40 Wall Street, Mar-a-Lago in Florida, Seven Springs Estate. The very long queue of cases against Trump was due to begin in 2024, but it seems to have gotten off to an earlier start than anticipated.